In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the conversion tools on the Readable English website. There are two types of conversions, the free text conversion and the document conversion. I'll start with the free text conversion. For each document you create, you'll need to give the document a file name. With the free text conversion, you can simply type or copy the text that you want to convert into the text box here. You can also add headings for within your document, as well as bulleted and numbered lists and images. I've used a passage from the ReadWorks website, so I'll go to the page and I'll save that image, and I can reinsert that into my document later. To include an image with your conversion, place your cursor where you'd like the image to go. I'm going to put it here under the first paragraph, and then click on the Add Image button. You'll see a Choose File button so you can upload an image from your computer. Navigate to where the file is saved on your computer and insert it. You'll see that once the image is inserted, it breaks the text into separate text boxes. Click the Finish and Convert button, and this will save the document into your eReader library. Now you can see the document as it appears in the eReader. You'll see the tagged heading and the inserted image. The next thing I'll demonstrate is the functionality of the eReader. From the eReader, you can click on this PDF button, which will send a PDF copy of the document to your email address. This enables you to print out your document for students in the classroom. You can also share documents electronically with your students. After clicking on the Share button, you'll see a list of the students that are assigned to you, and you can select all to send it to every student or select specific students. There's also the option to share to another email address, which enables you to share your document with other teachers. There's also a Settings button in the eReader, which enables you and your students to adjust the display of the text size and line spacing. From here, you can also access a Readable English tab, which enables you to turn on or off the Readable English markings. Students have the option to read in Standard English and simply click on a word to reveal the Readable English markings, or they can read with the full Readable English markings turned on. Students can also click on any word to bring up a word pop-up box. This box includes the word's definition and translation. Students can also click on this audio button to hear the sound of the word. Now let's look at the process for the document conversion. You'll see here on the left that there are 4 steps in the document conversion process. The first step is uploading a file from your computer that you want to convert. Before we upload the document, I just want to quickly show you the PDF that we'll be converting. You'll see that this document includes different elements, including a heading, a bullet point list, an image, and a footer. Clicking the Upload File button will begin the conversion and move you to the next step. Depending on how big your file is, this process step may be quite quick, or it may take a little longer for bigger documents. You'll see here that there are a couple of options. You can either wait and continue clicking the Refresh button. You can come back later and check this process step for a status update, or you can select this box to get an email notification about when your document's ready. When the document has been processed, you'll see an Open button in the status column. The next step is the spelling and editing step. Keep in mind that during the conversion process, your original document was scanned and any text would have been picked up. This may mean that you'll need to check here for any spelling mistakes or editing errors. For example, the footer from my original document was picked up, but I don't necessarily want that in my eReader document, so I'll delete that from here. There was also a heading in my original document that isn't appearing as a heading here yet, so you can highlight the text that you'd like to be a heading and click this button here. Once you've checked your document and finished editing, click the Finish and Convert button to move on to the next step. Clicking Finish in this final step will load the document into your eReader library. In this step, you can also choose whether you'd like to have the document emailed to you as a PDF. The document will open in your eReader, where you can see the features like the heading, the bullet point list, and the inserted image. Again, you can use the other functions of the eReader, like converting to PDF, sharing with your students, or using the settings functionality.